In Adobe InDesign, we save and work in a file called an InDesign document that has a .indd extension. But there are a lot of other file types you can either save or export your work as, depending on your needs. In this video, you'll save a practice file and explore some of the different formats available when you save or export. To follow along, you can either open an InDesign file you have, or to open this practice file you downloaded for this tutorial, choose File, Open. In order to save a file, you can simply choose File, Save. In this case, you'll save this file with another name, essentially making a copy by choosing File, Save As. Saving a copy of a file is a great way to make a backup for yourself, or even to save the state the document is currently in, so maybe you could go back to that point later on, for instance. Choose File, Save As. In the Save As dialog box that appears, you can choose a location to save the file, and make sure that InDesign Document is the chosen format. Change the file name, then click Save to save the file. At times, you may just want to send a visual of the artwork you're creating in InDesign. You can do this by exporting your document as a PDF. By choosing File, Export, you can choose Adobe PDF Print as the format, and anyone with a free PDF reader can view it. You'll see a lot of other formats in this menu, like EPUB, which is typically used for electronic books or ebooks. You'll see PDF Interactive. That's a PDF that has interactive features like buttons, links, video, and more that are preserved in the PDF file, or maybe HTML for a website. You can press Escape to exit without exporting. Saving or exporting your files in Adobe InDesign is something we all need to do. Now that you understand how to save and some of the formats for exporting, you can save a copy of your files, maybe to create a version of the document while you're working on it, or even to save a copy of a file for storage. You can close this open file without saving by choosing File, Close.